In this step-by-step video, I will show you how to change Facebook location settings. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. Just go and open your Facebook now. After you open your Facebook now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll to down. After you open this menu, scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Now go to settings. So under the settings now, tap on this search icon and type in this location. After you type location like this, tap on this first option which says device permission. Under device permission, scroll to down and tap on this section which says this one location. So under this location, scroll to down and tap on this where it says update settings. So tap on this open device settings. So now it will take you to your phone. Now tap on this permissions. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this location again. Under this location, as you can see now, there is three options. The first one, it says allow only while using the app. So if you choose this option now, Facebook now can be able now to track your location. So if you choose this second option now, whenever you open Facebook app, it will ask you to access your location before using the app. But if you choose this last option now, Facebook can never track your location. If you want to hide your location from Facebook, so choose this last option that I gave you, this last option. But if you want to just keep Facebook to keep tracking your location, you can choose this one. So that's it, guys. You just go and choose last option or first option. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.